Creating great sprint goals enables great teams. In order to make teams as effective as possible, they need to have everybody going in roughly the same direction, right? You don't want people going off in random directions during the sprint, working on whatever it is that they want to during the sprint. And sprint goals creates a level of focus. It creates a funnel through which the work flows in order to all be working together towards a common outcome, right? A common goal. That's why we have a sprint goal. It's usually something tactical, something we can do in the next 2 weeks that we're going to provide to our stakeholders. And I often think of the sprint goal as a little bit of marketing as well. We want to bring in, how do we encourage stakeholders to actually turn up at the sprint review? Well, they need to care about what it is we're creating. How do we enable them to care about it? We need to talk about the value. We need to create a goal that represents something the stakeholders want. If we create a goal that represents something they want, not only do we get the superpower of the stakeholders turning up for feedback, but we also get the superpower of the people doing the work seeing that the stakeholders are turning up and seeing that the stakeholders care about the features we're building. Therefore, they are more invested because they see how other people are using and care about their work, and then they care more about their work as well. So the sprint goal is a creative tool for product owners and teams to be able to move tactically forward in a direction towards the next product goal, right? That's their tool for that. It's normally created during sprint planning, but I quite often see product owners and teams knowing upfront what their next sprint goal is likely to be, what the next sprint goal is likely to be. You're planning a little bit forward into the future, but obviously anything can change as you come out of the sprint review. Maybe there's something else that becomes more important because we gain more knowledge, but we're thinking about the future. So that sprint goal is the critical thing that helps the team focus towards a common outcome. And having great sprint goals is one of the differentiators for having great teams that build great products.